Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For today I will let our tour guide tell us more in detail.
Hello, I'm Bryce with Kailani Tours. I'm just going to show you guys what we're doing today. So, we started off picking you folks up here in Hilton, Kilauea area. We came to pick some people up here, headed down through Kona, our first coffee farm stop at Greenwell Coffee here in Captain Cook. Currently we are at Punalu'u Bake Shop. We are down here in a place called Na'alehu, southernmost tip of the United States right here, so very, very close, southernmost town in the United States right here. Next stop, we're going to be headed to a black sand beach where we're going to hopefully see some turtles and volcanic black sand. Then we're going to be cruising on up to the summit of Kilauea volcano, right here at the main caldera known as Hale Ma'uma'u, inside of Kalua Pele caldera. We're going to go check out some hopefully glowing lava and some steam vents. Then we cruise to dinner over here, Kilauea Lodge. After dinner, we're going to come on back and check out some lava, hopefully getting some really epic lava glow this evening. And then we're going to take a long drive back to our hotels down here into Hilo and then up over the center of the island. We're going to come all the way back here and head back into your hotels. From Hilo over this direction to your hotels over here, following the Saddle Road, and we will be done with our day. Hopefully about 11 and a half hours.
Because of you, there's a joy in living, and all my love.
Alrighty, so there are 1,350 volcanoes on the planet, 50 erupting as of yesterday. Out of 1,350 volcanoes, there are only 6 volcanic lava lakes on the planet, ours being the 6th because it's the most inconsistent as over the last 4 years. So when we visit the summit of Kilauea, we are quite lucky to be able to visit one of only 6 lava lakes on the entire planet. So hopefully tonight we get some pretty epic lava. The most recent eruption just started September 29th, and it's been kind of going on and off, and hopefully tonight we get something pretty epic. So hopefully this video is going to show you how cool Kilauea actually can be.
It was a long drive to the coffee farm and Bryce told everything about a Hawaiian coffee or world coffee. After tasting some of the samples, I bought the pea berry. Had lunch and went for a mini coffee plantation tour. We are back on the road headed towards Black Sand Beach with a pit stop at Punalu'u, the southernmost bakery in the United States. Back on the road again. Black Sand Beach is beautiful. Unfortunately, we did not see any turtle. We have reached the active volcano site. First, let's check out steam vents. showing us the trick how to produce more steam.
Yeah, the steam is very warm. My glasses are all fogged. Yeah, over there it was cold. If you're feeling cold, come and stand by the steam, next to the steam, and it's hot and foggy and
Natural
humid.
sauna.
Yeah, natural sauna. We are on our way to see the lava lake. It's a 1 mile from where our tour guide dropped us and 1 mile back. What do you think, Ryan?
Thanks. I'm really excited. So it's my first time I'm gonna see that volcano.
Yeah.
It's magnificent.
Yeah, I don't think so. We are in a good shape. I'm kind of breathless. Yeah. So looking forward to it. It's pitch dark. I don't know if you can see anything. Yeah. I don't think so.
This is how the eruption looked like that night. The whole sky was filled with orange light. They keep you at a safe distance, so your best bet would be to use the binoculars, and the view is spectacular. It was hard to capture with our camera. We just soaked every moment of it. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please click the bell icon. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video.